friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to curve text in Canva. So I am in Canva here on a blank canvas here, and let's go ahead and add a text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on text here, then add some text, and yeah, let's add the word how to curve text in Canva, right? Now, in order to curve the text, what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and click on the text, ensure the text is selected, then click on effects. And here on the lower left hand side, you will have the option under shapes that says curve. You click on that and immediately your text is curved. Now you can adjust the text to your liking. You can adjust it, you can play around with it, you can write whatever you want. And I know you may be wondering, okay, now I adjust the text. How can I make it, change the shape of the text a little bit more to make it more curved? It's very easy. Once you select the text, you want to go ahead and click on the effects again. And here right below where you have the curve, you have this line here that shows you how you can make the text curve. So if I bring it back to this side, I can make it curve like that, or I can bring it towards the right hand side and make it even more like a rounded text like this. So you can simply go ahead and adjust it. If you don't want to use this, you can use the plus and the minus. So you can go ahead and you can use plus and minus to curve the text as you wish. This will give you a little bit more control as to when the text get closer together. And of course, it makes it much easier to manage. So you can go ahead and you can adjust the sizing of the text. You can go ahead and you can change the color. You can do whatever you want, just as you would in a normal circumstances of adjusting areas of text on Canva. And yeah, you can go ahead and change it to whatever you want, guys. Very easy and very simple. So that's the basics of it, guys. If you're looking for how to change text, so if you're looking for how to curve text in Canva, this is how you basically do it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Write the text, click on effects, go down to shapes, and you have the option to curve. And that's how you do it. Very easy and very simple. Guys, if you find value within this video, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel. I would love to learn more about how to use Canva. And of course, you might find more videos on this channel that you will find useful. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time.